A for apple gourd. B for bitter gourd. C for coriander. D for datil pepper. E for eggplant. F for fennel. G for green bean. H for horseradish. I for ivy gourd. J for jicama. K for nolkol. L for luteus. M for mushroom. N for neeps. O for okra. P for peas. Q for tulips. R for radish. S for sweet potato. T for turnip. U for ude. V for vegetable. W for wasabi. X for salad. Y for yam. Z for zucchini.